Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have the 4runner here and we're going to do some interior work, put some carpet in, sound dampening. Stay tuned and you'll see how it turns out. So I did a wire wheel on some of the old carpet that was kind of stuck in here, and then I did a light coat of paint and turned out pretty good. Next up, we're going to do a sound dampener and then we'll put the new carpet in. Haven't gotten back here yet, just did a vacuum. I got that all cleaned up and did a light paint on it. This stuff is really easy to use. There's just this backing you peel off. And then you lay it down on. Probably go right there with it. Something like that. You just press it down, it sticks. One piece down, more to go. Let's do it. Alright, got another piece laid. And I found out that I need a lot more of this stuff to get, like, you know, around the transmission tunnel and along the sides here. So I guess for now, I'm just going to use what I have and get the big parts, and then later on I'll buy another kit on Amazon and finish it. But for now, just getting the big areas, and then later on I'll come back and get the, you know, the sides, like this side back there over the transmission tunnel back here. But we'll go ahead and do the other side for now, and we'll put the carpet in. I got the driver's side installed here. This side I had a little extra sound dampening, so I cut it out and put a strip there, and then I also put a strip here, cut it out. You know, I still need to get the front there, no big deal, and the side and the back obviously, but I'm out of the stuff now, so I'll have to order some more. But now we're gonna put the carpet in. I got the carpet kit kind of placed. This kit requires some cutting, so I'm gonna start cutting it out and trimming it, making sure it fits pretty nice. And over here, this is where the rest of them are, the rest of the pieces. We'll go ahead and get it cut and see how it turns out from there. Also took the center console out again because it was going to make it a lot easier if I just took it out. Starting to put things back together. It's looking pretty nice. The back seats are in now. I must say, this looks awesome. I'm very happy with the results. Now we'll get the center console and the two seats in. Also, a little side note, bought this faceplate off Amazon. The old one was completely destroyed, so I thought that was pretty cool. Just popped right in. Here is the final product. Looks really, really nice. Installed center console, seats, carpet. And here's the back. Back turned out really nice. Still have to get the back done, but that will be in a separate video. This carpet kit looks nice. It wasn't too expensive, but it was a lot of work to cut all that up and make it work. I wish there was just a kit that just slid in. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.